life, we have a lot of goals to achieve, especially at work. Sometimes it can be overwhelming to keep a track of everything. But with mind mapping, we can break our goals into smaller, achievable actions and keep a track as we make progress towards these goals. Let us show you how. Let's say you had marketing at Zoom and you want to market its features. You can start with this big goal as your central idea. In this case, the big goal is marketing plan for Zoom. Now, you can break down this goal into short-term and long-term goals, like daily, weekly, monthly, quarterly, and annual. Once you've categorized your goals according to a timeline, you can break them down further by the type of content you post. You can post daily short videos, LinkedIn posts, and tweets. Weekly content pieces like articles, podcasts, Twitter threads, and newsletters. You can also create monthly product updates, quarterly case studies, and yearly industry reports. Your marketing plan is now ready and visualized on the mind map for everyone to see. Now, you can convert these tasks into Monday.com items to show on the main table and assign them to the right people in your team. So, this is how you can use mind maps to set goals. Break them down into smaller tasks and assign them to the right people. It will help you align your team as they clearly understand your plans, give them clarity on what is expected of them, and help you achieve your goals on time. I hope you enjoyed mind mapping with Thoughtflow. Happy mapping! Thank you.